Good day, this is Given from Techno Drive. Today we've got this Fivestar 5 kilowatt inverter. The problem is on the PV panels. So when you connect the PVs there, just show you, then you can see. You see these points is for the PV panels. So when they connect power there, the PVs are not working. So it's not even showing on the screen that there's panels connected. So the problem is on the MPPT board. I'm going to open it so that you can see where is the MPPT board. Okay. This board is an MPPT board. You can see there's a bend mark there. So that bend mark is causing the inverter not to show the voltage for the solar panels. I'm going to take out the MPPT board and then we can replace it. Okay, when you take out the board, you have to take out this SCR board. Okay, we have to take out this cover. Okay, you can see the board is loose now. See, there's screws there. These two cables goes to those screws, and the cable goes to the MPPT board. We have to take them out. Okay, you can see the MPPT board is out. We have to take out these cables. Okay, you can see there's the MPPT board. It's out now. You can see the damage there. You can see the board is bent. Okay. Here is the replacement board. You can see how it should be. So no damage on this board. So I'm gonna change it with this board. So that old board, the plastic came out. We have to take out this plastic. See, I took out that plastic. Okay, you can see it's out there. Okay, these ones they put glue, it's not easy to remove them, so just gonna put them the way they are. There it's in. So there's two cables. Okay, I've got those two cables in now. Okay, now the board is in. Okay, let's test it before we close it completely and see if the panels are showing. Let's put the SCR board. So we're just going to test. After that, we'll put back this cover, and then we can close the inverter. For now, we're just testing to see if the inverter will charge. Okay, we'll first connect the PV. Got the PV in there, the two PV panels. Now we're going to connect the battery. Okay, you can switch on the inverter. See, there's an output. Let's switch on the PV. So when the PVs are on, you will see there's a sign there, and then the inverter will be okay. There is the sign. You can see it shows you that the panels are connected. So now it's gonna take power from the panels and charge the battery. You can see there. Now it's taking power, inverter, and then charging the battery. Okay, let's check the PV voltage. That's a battery voltage. See there, we've got 121 volts for the PV. So the MPPT board is now okay. So we're done with the repairs. We'll close the inverter properly, then the customer can collect. Thank you very much.